Up next, the new layout, part 5. Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, I want to take this time to thank all my subscribers. For those who leave a comment, it's truly appreciated. Well, continuing with the build, I got in my backdrops from Train Junkies, and I installed them. And then I went ahead and did the groundwork on the outside part of the mainline outside loop. I got these mountains. I love Tennessee mountains or wherever this is from, but it's a beautiful backdrop. And since I have a river in the layout, I decided to get this backdrop with water integrated in it. And for the Hialeah yard, I had it's called the Union Pacific Rail Yard backdrop with mountains. I know there's no mountains in Hialeah, but there's plenty of garbage dumps that are high enough to simulate a mountain. So I like it. I like the way it's coming out. I love the way my yard came out. I could control 4 lines. I put power drops on each, so I could just hit a switch and power up the engines and just drive them right out. Well, I hope you guys had a good weekend and you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button. Like always, happy railroading, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Bye.